Hello, I'm back with a G-Box fan. This is my third one. I have the electrically reversible one right next to it, but the camera cannot see it because it is behind my bunk bed. But this one is very quiet. This fan right here, it is non-reversible. It is very quiet. Runs very nicely. There's not that much of a GE motor sound to it, but it runs pretty nicely. See? Silent. Shakes a little on startup, but that's okay. That's the hub shaking. It's got a cross brace in it. I have 4 actually General Electric box fans. And this is my third. I have the electrically reversible, I have this one, I have an F15 W12, and then I have an F1 W25. Not W22 second gen, W25. I know it because it's pushing grills. I'm really a fan of these box fans. There's medium. Take it right up to high. And here's right up to high. I'll show you the back. First, here's the side. Now here's the back. I just have to shut the fan off for the power strip because this little plug isn't in that good a shape. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.